Okay guys, so the customer brought us this Jeep. It's an awesome Jeep. The customer wants us to Raptor Gator Green and Black. It's gonna be an awesome color. Also guys, please don't forget about the $1 donation. Please help us out on our big project that we're doing. Also guys, if you guys have any want more information about your vehicle, if you guys want a quote or something, go check out our webpage. It's gonna help you there. Also guys, don't forget the $25 Raptor paint job giveaway. Please sign up, and that's pretty much it guys. So stay tuned for this one and like and subscribe.
Alright guys, so I'm pretty much done taking off all the things that are not going to be Raptored. So all I'm going to do now is just start sounding. Let's get to it. Alright guys, so we're already done putting all the paper and tape. All we're going to do now is clear the paint thinner so we can shoot on the Raptor.
Alright guys, so we're pretty much done cleaning the entire vehicle. All we're going to do now is start shooting on the Raptor. So let's get to that. Alright guys, so we let it sit there to dry for 45 minutes, came back, now we're gonna give it the texture guys. So let's get to that. Alright guys, so that's pretty much it for the texture part. All we're gonna do now is just again let it sit there for 45 minutes to dry, come back, take off the paper, and show you guys how it looks. Alright guys, so it's pretty much dried up already. All we're gonna do now is just start taking out the paper and anything we covered. So let's get to that. Alright guys, so we're done with the Jeep. It looks really beautiful. It was a fun job to do. Just take a look at it, guys.
Let's check it. This thing looks brand new.
It looks brand new.
For a 2001, this thing, it came up pretty nice, guys. Let's check it out. Wow. Look at that consistent texture.
Alright guys, so we're done with the Jeep. We really hope that the customer likes it. He did an awesome job on going from gator green to all blacked out. Guys, again, if you want anything wrapped in your vehicle, just anything, description down on for the website, it's gonna be down in the description. There's a page where you can do quotes, and it'll give you a great estimate on how much your vehicle is gonna cost. So again, guys, thank you for all your support. Like and subscribe.
Like and subscribe, guys.